Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue where for some reason your iPhone apps are crashing. Now, if this happens, do keep in mind this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing I would recommend doing though is seeing if your specific phone is actually stuck on a newer version of software, such as a beta or the latest of like iOS 15.0 or 16.0 or 7.0 in the future. Essentially, if you're on the first version of a big software update, you can have some issues every once in a while. So that's the first thing. That's one of the most common issues I've seen. So if you're opening up apps and they're crashing randomly, that's the first thing I'd recommend understanding. Now, if there's an update available, I'd recommend going into settings, going into general, which is right here, going into software update, which is right there, and then seeing if there's an update available. If there is, go ahead and update. If there isn't, the next thing I would recommend doing is to actually see which specific apps are crashing. If you're installing tweaked apps or apps that require a profile, sometimes those apps can be revoked. And if they're anything like, I'm trying to find an app, but I don't really have any here. But if essentially you see those types of applications, you're better off just reinstalling them, deleting them, reinstalling them, and seeing if the profile is updated. If not, you pretty much just have to wait till a profile is back up. Now, let's say none of those things are happening and your apps are still crashing. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over to your app store just like so, clicking on the search button on the bottom left, right, and then pretty much just searching up those apps that are crashing. So in this case, let's just use Snapchat, for example. Let's say every time you open up Snapchat, it crashes. Well, go and type in Snapchat, click it in like this, and go ahead and update that application. If for some reason that application is constantly just crashing, simply updating it can actually probably fix it for a majority of you. So go ahead, update this app, and then go ahead and circle back and see if it's working. If it's working, then you're fine. If it's still not working, you can try restarting your phone, but you may want to go ahead and rewatch this video and see if there's something you missed, and then it can pretty much fix itself. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.